Welcome to TP Square Vlogs. In this third video of the animation series, let's see how to use morph transition and crop features to create another amazing animation. Here, I am using the same images as in the previous video. I have already grouped all these images like I did in the last video. I am copying and pasting the image in the same slide. Let's change the color of the image below. You can do this by going into picture format and selecting the color option. Here it gives us various options to change the color of the selected image. I am selecting this blue shade to be the color of the selected image. You can select the color of your choice. Now let's overlap this image with the original image by dragging and adjusting the position of the original image on top of it. Now, I'll duplicate the slide by using Ctrl+D key. Let's select both the images using Alt+A key. Zoom out the slide using the zoom bar. Let's increase the size of the images by selecting one of the corners and dragging outwards the image. Now let's crop the colored image. Select this image and go to Image Format tab in the menu bar. I am using Crop to Shape option and choosing the rectangular shape with rounded edges. To adjust the crop dimensions of the image, select again Crop option. This pops up editing pins on image that can be selected adjusted. Now I am adjusting the crop shape in such a way that only art is present in the colored image. Let's duplicate the slide and repeat the same for the other topics in the grouped images. Once this is done, let's copy the first slide and paste in the last as we did in the previous videos. Now I am selecting all the slides from number 2 and adding morph transition. One can also adjust the morph transition time on the top right corner. By default, it is 2 seconds. Let's go to slideshow and see what we have achieved. There you go, a nice animation is generated with simple tips and tricks. I hope these videos are helping you to create amazing animations in your PowerPoints. If you like the videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.